Good morning, this is me Manya Gupta, your tech host, and the bulletin of the day starts with Apple's iOS 18.1 rolls out with 5 smart AI-powered features, OnePlus 13 teased with massive battery launch, set for 3rd October. India's role in supplying AI tech to Russia sparks Western concerns. Investors eye AI payoff as Microsoft's growth slows amid high expectations. On Apple's M4 Mac Mini, a game changer for creatives with power, portability, and value. About Meta plans AI-powered search engine to rival Google and Bing. Finally, about Nandan Nilekani's advice to Indian AI companies focused on real-world applications, not big models. Good morning. In the previous quiz, we asked you, what is the full form of USB? Answer is Universal Serial Bus. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. What type of cable is commonly used for wired internet? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Now let's talk about the news, which starts with Apple, which has officially released iOS 18.1, bringing powerful new Apple Intelligence features to iPhones. With an emphasis on privacy, these updates rival AI offerings from Google and Samsung. Here's a quick look at the top features you need to know about. First, the Mail app and writing tools are getting smarter. With AI-backed writing assistant, users can now easily proofread, rewrite, summarize text across the apps. Next, Siri gets a fresh new look and a better language understanding. Now you can type commands to Siri too. Photo apps fans will love the cleanup tool that lets users remove unwanted objects and find photos with easy natural prompts like sunset by the lake. Need focus? The reduce interruptions mode intelligently filters notifications to keep distractions low. And finally, for the first time, iPhones now support call recording and transcription, a highly requested feature now available in Notes app. This update brings Apple one step closer to a seamless, smart user experience, all while ensuring your data remains secure. Moving on to our next news, which is about OnePlus, which has confirmed its upcoming OnePlus 13. They will feature a hefty 6000 mAh battery, largest yet for the brand's flagship line, marking over 10% boost from its predecessor. Device will support 100 watt Super V OOC wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging with a magnetic attachment for added convenience. Alongside the phone, OnePlus will unveil power-packed accessories including a magnetic 5000 mAh power bank, a cooling wireless charger, a 100 watt Super V OOC power bank, and a powerful 120 watt GAN adapter. For long-time fans, official cases in wood and sandstone variants will be available. And for the ultimate brand enthusiast, a OnePlus branded cup. So under the hood, OnePlus 13 will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with configurations up to 24GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. Camera setup is also set to impress, featuring a 50 megapixel multi-prism telephoto lens, all within a familiar OnePlus design. Now let's talk about Mumbai-based Shreya Life Sciences at center of a tech trade fueling Russia's access to advanced AI technology despite Western sanctions. So Bloomberg analysis shows Shreya exported 1,111 Dell PowerEdge XE N680 servers with NVIDIA H100 chips, highly regulated for their AI and dual-use military applications, worth $300 million to Russian firms. This trade underscores India's growing role as transshipment hub, making it the second largest supplier of restricted technology to Russia after China. So while not illegal in India, this trend has attracted scrutiny from Western governments, prompting visits to US EU officials to discourage India's trade with Russia. However, India, reliant on Russian military support and oil discounts, continues to expand its economic relationship with Moscow. Moving on to Microsoft, a major player in AI, thanks to its partnership with OpenAI, is facing increased scrutiny as investors await signs of substantial returns on its AI investments. As the company prepares to report its lowest revenue growth in a year, concerns are mounting over slower than expected adoption of key AI products such as $30 per month Copilot Assistant for Enterprise. Microsoft's recent financial restructuring has made quarterly performance harder to predict, fueling skepticism among investors. While the company's Azure cloud unit showed a steady 33% growth, AI's role in that growth remains uncertain, and capital expenses have surged nearly 72% to $19.23 billion. Microsoft's Copilot initiative has also seen lukewarm adoption, with a majority of IT companies only testing the tool, according to Gartner. So despite Copilot's new features like autonomous task management, skepticism remains high among investors and users alike. Now, Apple is set to launch its M4 series Macs, including a revamped Mac Mini, which promises a powerful upgrade for creators. This model will feature the new M4 chipset, boosting performance for the tasks like multi-layered 4K video editing and coding, making it a valuable tool for content creators and designers. So with the potential redesign as compact as Apple TV 4K, the Mac Mini could become a portable powerhouse, easy to carry and use on the go, ideal for users who split time between home and office. Priced similarly to its M2 predecessor, around $59,900 or slightly higher, the M4 Mac Mini may be the most affordable way to access Apple's M4 chipset, delivering impressive value compared to the other M4 devices like iPad Pro. Enhanced with Apple's intelligence and power of the M4, this Mac Mini is poised to be a versatile, budget-friendly entry into Apple's creative ecosystem. Let us now know about Meta Platforms, which is developing its own AI search engine, aiming to cut its dependence on Google and Microsoft's Bing, as reported by The Information. This move will allow Meta to provide real-time conversational answers on its platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook through its Meta AI chatbot. Currently, Meta relies on Google and Bing for search-related queries on trending topics such as news and sports. So by building its AI search capabilities, Meta is positioning itself against giants like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft, who are racing to dominate the AI-powered search engine market. Google recently launched its AI model Gemini into its core search product to provide more conversational experiences, while OpenAI uses Bing for web-based answer. However, the growing practice of scrapping data for AI models has sparked copyright concerns and raised questions about fair compensation for content creators. Last but not the least, let's talk about Infosys co-founder Nandan Nilekani. He has a clear message for Indian AI companies: prioritize developing practical applications over competing to build new large language models. Speaking at Meta's Build with AI Summit in Bangalore, Nilekani emphasized that India should become a global leader in AI use case, using existing technology to tackle real-world challenges and foster innovation. So let the big player in Silicon Valley handle the heavy lifting with LLMs. We should focus on building data collection infrastructure and deploy AI in ways that benefit people, said Nilekani. He praised Meta's open source LLM models like Llama as game changers that India could leverage to create impactful AI solutions rather than attempting to build more LLMs from scratch. So this was all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe IT Voice for more tech updates. Thank you.